What's going on, y'all? Today, taking pictures of this beauty over here. I found a little place to go start this intro, so I got the camera on the back, and there's a park down there a little way, so we're gonna go take some pictures. I have not cleaned her, so this is gonna be a lot of post-processing shit. But I'm on my way to the park now, take some pictures. It's about to be sunset soon, so that's gonna be pretty cool to look at. But yeah, a lot of post-processing. I should take this thing to the car wash. But this video is also just gonna be like a little photo shoot. Some of my camera settings for that bad boy. I don't know if you can see it. That bad boy. That I'll probably put up on screen like right about here. Those are my camera settings. And it's just gonna be like a chill reel video, TikTok, maybe some YouTube shorts, or maybe just like a little short video. But let's go on ahead into the park because I'm kind of excited. So we're gonna go to the park, get some nice shoots out of there. It's gonna be a low-key just me video today. I got nobody else to play with. I got nobody else to play with. It came out wrong. This ain't a gaming channel. But I got nobody else here, so it's just gonna be me, myself, and I can jump out in front of these people. Thanks for throwing yourself into neutral for me. But I'm honestly, I haven't been behind the camera in like a minute, so it's gonna be a bit of a throwback, I guess. Herbert! Now where's this turn at? It's like right up here. It's not the first street, but it's like the second street. Where is this turn at? Yeah, it's right up here. I think I know what it is. I only pass it about almost all the time, so this is the part where I'm going to take some of the photos, especially when it turns nighttime out, because it's just a beautiful place to be. Turn this off. Oh, this place is beautiful. See, right here is this place that I found. Mainly because of like just the overpass of all these trees right here, right in through here, with like maybe the sunset behind it. Oh yeah, it's gonna be nice. Prohibited use of skateboards, go-karts, and whatever. I do not care because I'm not any of those. So we'll probably just give it a little bit of time, ride around, see what the place looks like. See what else is around here. See, there's a place up there I'd probably go to. Probably turn around right here. See what's around here. Place up there I can take pictures at. But yeah, I think that like overpass place over there is gonna be the best shot. So let's see. There's shady parking spot I can park at. Oh yeah, right back in here. Oh, sick. Alright, awesome. Now let's see here. Where could I take some pictures at? Some nice picture locations. There's so many around here, but I just need something clean. Does that work? Does this work? Oh yeah, that works. I'll take it. I just need to get some photos for the gram, because I have not been on this thing in a minute. Oh, nice. I left this open. Good thing nothing flew out. Did anything fly out? No, I have everything. I only got I got the 50 mil, but I don't think I'll be able to, or I don't think I'll be using the 50 mil. I think it's mainly just going to be the my 24 for now. Go back to manual. There we go. What's a good polarized? Yeah. Oh, it's a bright. Where's my? Okay, turn that up. Come on. Nice, focused. Turn my aperture up a little bit. Shutter speed down. Hey, come on. Stop zooming in! Okay. This way I can get all of it in focus. Still a little bit bright in the background. Oh, nobody's coming, so let's pop his visor up. 160 each on the aperture back down. Maybe back up. Yeah, there's a landscape right about here. Ooh, oh, there's a car coming. Of course there's a car coming. Ooh, well, what else could I do? Okay. How do these look with that, like, these up? I think it'd just be funny. That is kind of funny. Yeah, now we're in focus. Get rid of some of those reflections. Oh, that's a bright sun. Don't look at the sun. It's not a good idea. Where can we take some? Is that a stick? Hold up. That's a pretty fucking cool stick. It's a fucking... got a stick. Fucking... boom. Anyways, okay, oh, and if y'all are curious, this is just the... it's the Canon T7i. I'm running the 24mm pancake lens. And then I have the 50mm, the nifty 50 in my bag in here, but I don't think I'll really need to be using it since it's going to be pretty bright out for most of this. Oh, you're on my ass. This is going to be pretty bright out for most of this, so it's not really that big of a deal. I'll usually use that for like car shows or when it starts to get dark out. Ooh. There we go. Right in the middle. Now, do this quick before anybody else comes. Get this out of my way, dude. Alright, let me go back a little bit. Okay, what are you doing? Oh, that's what you're doing. Lock on. Take a few pictures. Let me bump this up a little bit. See a landscape view? Yeah, there. Ooh, hold up. Maybe I cooked with this one. There we go. Now how'd those come out? Zoom in. Please. Go on, get me down here. There we go. Now how'd those come out? Sick. That's actually fire. Probably level a little bit, or not level it, but center it a bit better. Oh crap. Dude, I'll probably just move this real quick. There we go. But I got most of the pictures out of that I wanted. Yes. I'm sure they'll pop up on screen with the finished product. I did take like a bajillion, so I'm not popping up every single one, but I will pop up a decent amount of them. Surprised I didn't get kidnapped. Get the glove on! There we go. So from here, I don't know, it's gonna be like a chill ride. Probably make some clips for TikTok, Instagram, fuck around a little bit. So, skrrr. Skrrr. Hello? Oh. Hello? Sorry. You're off today, right? I'm out and about taking photo shoots, like with the bike. You wanna take some? I'm bored. Yeah, that's right. You told me that. My fault. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. In my defense, I didn't wake up until 3. Where'd this dude come from? I got a biker buddy. I am. Alright, see you, man. This dude's sick. Got a biker buddy. Oh man. I gotta figure out what I'm doing. Oh, he left me. He left me. He left me. No, I'm gonna turn around. I'm coming back for him. Going back for him. I need a biker buddy. Oh shit. I actually got an opening. Where did he park? I think he parked over here somewhere. I'm joining him. I want to see what he's all about. That is a sick bike. I'm gonna stalk him. I'm stalking him.